Take out the weight and place it on the side. Slightly fasten the M4 screw on single side of the horseshoe. Feed USB cable into the hole. Place the horseshoe through the hole. Slightly tighten the M4 screw. Place the O-ring underneath the ring light. The larger arc of the horseshoe is where the handle will be facing. Tighten the M4 screw. Tighten the other M4 screw. Fix the ring light on the sink. Take out the faucet. Take out the silicone tube from the Ozone machine package. Connect the silicone tube. Feed the faucet line and the silicone tube into the hole. Tighten the faucet with 2mm screws. Fix the faucet onto the sink. Take out both braided hose. Install the braided hose. Cold water is connected to the shorter pipe. Hot water is connected to the longer pipe. Take out the Ozone machine. Plug in the power jack. Plug in the power socket. Plug in micro USB cable. Connect the silicone tube to the Ozone machine. Remove the liner. Position the Ozone machine. Apply pressure to secure the machine. Push the button to activate the machine. Ring light flashes indicate ozonized water is served. Switch off the water.
Ring light remains bright blue, indicates tap water is served.
Now the installation has completed.